Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, an interesting experiment. I took that antique Marx motor with the lever for forward and reverse and mounted it in a Commodore Vanderbilt wind-up shell. Put a headlight bracket on it, and this is up and running absolutely perfectly, as you see. Now, I've never seen one of these before. Not in person, anyway. Read about them. Since I had the motor and the shell, I figured I'd combine them and put one of these manual E-unit locomotives together. As you see, it works, no doubt. I shortened that lever, re-rounded it. It also has a neutral if you put it in the middle, as you see. Anyway, getting ready for its first trip around the rail as a locomotive. Now, there are no push rods on it. There were no provisions for push rods. So, in any case, let's put it on a Marx consist and take this around and see how it runs. That is an old motor. But as you see, it's actually running really well. So a working headlight, an original manual E-unit motor mounted in that wind-up Commodore Vanderbilt shell. As you see, it works. That's about 30% power. Let's take it up to 40%. All right, there's about 40% power. Okay, there's 50% power. So as you see, this old motor runs quite well. Forward and reverse. So, an interesting experiment. I'd never seen one of these before, only read about them. So an old wind-up shell, that manual E-unit motor, dropped it into the Commodore Vanderbilt, added a headlight bracket, and it's up and running. As I said, I've never seen one of these before. I've only read about them. But it works. That's the neat thing about it, as you see. So in any case, just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.